Peekaboo! Surprised to see me on a Friday? Well, I can completely understand because since last 50 episodes, you're so used to seeing me only once a week, which is Tuesdays with 5 minute ka kitabi gyan, but here I am. And the reason is that I have decided to add one more segment to this channel, which will be aired on Fridays that would be centered around business and sales skills. And why selling? Is because my entire life has been about selling, So either I was selling or I was helping somebody sell. And those of you who do not know me professionally, let me share that by profession, I am a sales coach, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm also the author of an upcoming book which is centered around selling. Now, this entire idea of adding the additional segment got triggered recently when I posted short videos on sales and business on YouTube, on Instagram and LinkedIn, and I got a great response. In fact, a lot of viewers started sending me direct messages asking their sales queries. So during my interaction with those viewers who were texting me directly, I figured out two things. That one, people are struggling with their business results, and secondly, they are very keen to learn more about sales skills. And as an entrepreneur, as a sales coach, it is my responsibility to come in this space and help people out. So I decided to come up with the Friday series. Now in the process, I figured out one more thing, that out of all the digital platforms available to us, because we are learning and interacting through a digital medium, YouTube is a platform that supports longer duration content, that supports learning videos. So this is the space where I need to stick around with. Therefore, if you are looking to enhance your sales confidence, if you are looking at altering your mindset positively towards selling, if you are looking at generating higher numbers, if you're looking at acquiring sales skills that help you achieve higher revenues, then this segment is of particular importance to you. My sales journey started way back in 2003 with selling loans for Citi, and at that stage in my life, I had this fancy image about sales world where people dress smart, they spoke well, they had a lot of money, they got to travel across the world, and their life was easy. And I so wanted to be a part of this industry. But soon after my 7-day induction got over and I was hit with the reality, I understood one thing, that in the world of sales, there is only one language that is heard or spoken, and that is the language of numbers. And soon, since I thought that life is going to be easy, that was not the reality, and my numbers started taking a toll on me. Sooner than I could imagine, I started faltering with my numbers, and the pressure started mounting very heavily on me. So much so that I was demotivated to go to work. My relationships with my parents and my friends started getting affected heavily. I had started putting on a lot of weight, and I used to question myself almost every day, why the hell did I choose to become a part of the sales team? A lot of you ask me, Nidhi, why do you promote reading so much and why do you encourage everybody to read? And today I'm going to give you the reason why. So in my Citi days, when I was really struggling with my sales result, I had actually come to a point where I had made up my mind that I'm going to quit the world of selling. I'm not going to be in the sales business anymore. That point, right before I was about to go to the HR office and hand over my resignation, one of my colleagues handed me over a Brian Tracy book and compelled me, like literally compelled me to read that book. And I was in such an off state of mind. I did not want to do anything, forget about reading. That was the last thing on my mind. But he made sure that I go through that book and I read the contents of the book. In fact, two of my friends actually sat me down and made me read it page by page. In that book, I read that the number one skill any human being can acquire in their lifetime is the sales skill, because it is not just selling, it is the survival skill. That book was written by Brian Tracy, and that completely altered my life. Now when I look back, if I had not read that book, if my friends had not compelled me to read that book, I would have never been a part of the sales journey. I would have not been sitting here right now in front of you talking to you about business and sales. I would have never been able to start my own entrepreneurial journey. That is the primary reason I compel each and every person to read, because the books have the power to change our lives. So whichever stage of my life I have reached today, professionally, personally, I have to share the credit with two very important factors. One, the coaches and mentors that I have learned from, and secondly, the books that I have read. So if you have big dreams in your eyes, these are the two factors that you must also incorporate in your life and stick around with thick, never leave them ever if you want to move forward in your professional or personal journey. Now try to understand sales in perspective. Okay, sales is not a department, it is not a subject. Sales is a way of life. And if you observe keenly, if you go to the depth, you will figure out that each and every one of us is invariably selling. Whether we are selling a product, we are selling a service, we are selling an idea, we are selling goals to the team, mother trying to sell value and discipline to their children. So sales is undoubtedly important for each and every individual, but if you ask me, it is of particular importance for people who are responsible for generating revenues. Now you may be an entrepreneur, you may be thinking about launching your own startup or maybe some kind of business from home. You may be working for a corporate, you may be working for a small business owner, or you may be a student right out of college. So for this segment of people, sales skills are utmost important, that are going to impact your life and make you more confident in whatever you try to achieve. So this is just an introduction video. I wanted to let all of you know that now instead of once a week, we are going to meet twice a week, on Tuesdays with 5 minute ka Kitabi Gyan and on Fridays with a segment on business and sales skills. And guys, let me assure you one thing, that you are going to be on a transformational journey from here on. So stick around, come back for these videos, and I'm going to see you very, very soon.